Hey guys, welcome to another BODYFX tutorial. So today we're doing this awesome galaxy makeup, and I've already done my eye makeup. So now I'm going in with some masking tape because I want to get some really nice sharp edges. I'm putting the tape on two slightly different angles because I don't want the makeup to look too symmetrical. Once I've finished taping it off, I'm now going in with a tag pearl pink, and I'm just outlining the areas pretty much for where I want to do my galaxy. Now I'm going in with a neon global pink, and I'm just going around the other pink that I did just to kind of give it a bit of a glow. Again, it's easier to do this as an asymmetrical makeup because you can just have fun with it and place color anywhere. Now I'm going in with a dark pearl blue, and I'm just going over the pink that I did, leaving some of the pink visible around the edges. Now I decided that I wanted to get a little bit of that galaxy onto my forehead as well, so I'm just doing the same thing again, just in the middle of my forehead. To add a little bit of extra glow, I'm now going in with a tag teal, and I'm just putting a little bit of that here and there just to give the galaxy a little bit more color and more dimension. Now I'm going in with a black star blend. You can use a black eyeshadow as well, and I'm just darkening out some of the areas of the galaxy, particularly around the bits that have tape on them. Now I'm using quite a wet tag white and a small round brush, and I'm just making some little squiggly lines and then fading them out a little bit with my finger. Now I'm using this brush, which I call a flicky brush, but really it's called a chip brush. You can also use like a toothbrush or something like that, or just any coarse brush that you just cut down the bristles. And I'm using a very wet tag white, and I'm just flicking that on to create some cool stars. To do the more detailed stars, I'm first starting off with a couple of little dots, and I'm fading them out with my finger. Now using a thinner round brush, I'm just using the very tip of my brush to make some nice little stars. So I'm starting from the middle of those little smudged dots that I made, and I'm just flicking outwards. Now, moment of truth, time to take off the tape. So it's looking great, I'm really happy with it, but I want to add some bio glitter as well. So I'm just adding a little bit of Vaseline around my face and then applying the bio glitter as well. And then after the glitter is applied, the makeup is all done. So this is a great makeup for festivals because it really doesn't take too long and it's super effective. I hope you guys give it a go, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you all next time.